To make this cherry filling, I have 3 cups of tart cherries. These are canned cherries. 3/4 of a cup of sugar, granulated sugar. This is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch that I'm going to strain. I'm going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond extract. I want to combine the cherries. These are drained. And this is a heavy bottom saucepan, and I have a nice wooden flat bottom spoon. So I'm adding the sugar. I'm going to add the sifted corn starch. And I'm just going to bring that to a boil on a medium heat. And the juices are going to come out of the cherries, and that will thicken it up with the cornstarch. So you just want to very slowly get it started. Don't want to squash your cherries. I'm going to stir this occasionally. Let it come to a simmer, and I'll stir it again. It's just starting to come to a little bit of a simmer. I stir it to keep the temperature even. I'm going to stir it several times, just carefully. You just want that juice to thicken up. I have my burner on 6. You can't see the flame very well, but it's a fair size flame, so you want to watch your liquid. This is starting to thicken up. I can actually draw my spoon and see the bottom of the pan. But you want to stir it so it doesn't stick. Just for about a minute or 2. See how nice and thick that's getting? So there's your filling. I'm going to turn off the flame, and I'm going to add a little bit of the almond extract. And you still might want to stir it because the bottom of the pot is pretty hot. But that's cherry pie filling. This is the almond extract. Just going to put a little bit in, not even a quart, probably more like 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now I'm not going to put that back into my jar. But that's a traditional flavoring for cherry pie. This is Pyrex. It's pretty hot. I'm going to store it till I'm ready to use it.